House chores. An aspect of kind treatment in marriage is that each spouse should aid each other in the house chores. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, would help his family with the house chores, thereby proving these chores are gender neutral. This is confirmed in a hadith found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6039. But it is important to note that a Muslim should correctly follow the tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and not follow their own desires. This hadith clearly adds that when it was time for the obligatory prayer, he would leave for the mosque. This clearly indicates that helping with house chores is important, but the obligatory prayer with congregation at the mosque is more important. Each tradition is prioritized, and one should follow this order correctly and not cherry-pick which traditions they desire to follow. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.